You've probably seen videos like this on YouTube and you're curious how to start making money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start with affiliate marketing, especially if you are new to affiliate marketing. This video is going to teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic, so you don't have to spend any money in order to get sales with affiliate marketing. So if you don't know where to start when it comes to building an affiliate marketing business, go ahead and watch this video because I'm going to give you the complete step-by-step guide on the best affiliate marketing strategies that you can do inside of 2022. And just so you guys know that I'm not making up these strategies, these are a couple of screenshots of my results that I get with affiliate marketing. Before I show you guys the best affiliate marketing methods, let me go ahead and tell you what affiliate marketing is in a nutshell. Affiliate marketing is when you refer a product of a company's to customers online. There are many different ways to do affiliate marketing. Some of those ways include Google search, YouTube search, and even through social media sites like TikTok. You, as the content creator, recommends products to your audience, and every single time somebody purchases those products using your unique affiliate link, you get a portion of that sale called your affiliate commission. So in theory, the more clicks that you get on your affiliate links, the more money you will make with affiliate marketing. To show you how affiliate marketing works, if we go ahead and we type in best hiking shoes and we hit enter on Google, that's going to show us all these different websites that are talking about the best hiking shoes. So if we click on this first one right here, you'll see that Switchback Travel actually has affiliate links promoting the best hiking shoes. And every time we click on one of these links, it's going to go ahead and take us over to an affiliate program. For example, this one is on rei.com. And if I was to pick out a size in this shoe and then make a purchase, then Switchback Travel would get a portion of that sale called an affiliate commission. And that is how affiliate marketing works. When it comes to choosing a niche for affiliate marketing, a lot of people are going to tell you to follow your passion. And honestly, that's not bad advice, but what's even better is following where the money is at. For example, some of my favorite niches and some of the best niches for affiliate marketing are the wealth and making money online niche, the health and fitness niche, and the travel niche. Now, the reason that these are the most popular and best niches to promote affiliate products in is because you have people who are willing to spend money inside of those categories. So let's take wealth and making money online, for example. The majority of people on this planet would be happy to make more money online. And if we can recommend products to them that teach them how to do that, then we are essentially solving a problem that they can't solve on their own, and they would be willing to pay big money for that solution. Which is why wealth and making money online is the best niche to go into for affiliate marketing. You may think, wait, isn't it oversaturated? But no, it's not. There's a lot of people promoting products in the make money online niche that are doing absolutely great when it comes to affiliate marketing. And there's so much more room for growth in this niche that I can't recommend it enough. Now that you know what the best niche is for affiliate marketing, now let's go ahead and talk about what kind of products should we promote. You can either promote physical products or you could promote digital products. Now, spoiler alert, I highly recommend that you promote digital products, but let me just go ahead and show you some of the different commission rates between physical products and digital products to tell you why I think digital products are the best way to go when making money online with affiliate marketing. Let's take Amazon, for example. You can actually promote products on Amazon as an affiliate marketer and earn commissions. So if we wanted to promote a product inside of the make money online niche, maybe we would do a physical book. So let me just go ahead and type in make money online. And you see here that we could actually promote this dropshipping and Shopify book for $22 paperback edition, and we could make money as an affiliate marketer. But if we head over to Amazon.com and we see what their affiliate marketing commission rates are, we can see here that you only get 4.5% if you promote a physical book and get a sale as an affiliate. And that isn't a lot of money because you would have to sell hundreds or even thousands of books to make a significant amount of money with affiliate marketing. Now, if you take one of my favorite affiliate marketing products to promote, Legendary Marketer, you'll see that this is an online education program, and you make way more money with affiliate marketing because if you go to the affiliate section and you scroll down, you'll see that they actually give 30 to 60% commission instead of just 4.5% commission like Amazon does. So you have to sell way less products when it comes to promoting a program like Legendary Marketer than you would have if you were promoting books on Amazon. Another one of my favorite products to promote in the make money online niche is called Hustlers University, and they actually pay you 50% commission on every single sale, which is a whole lot more than Amazon offers you at just 4.5%. So I hope you can see why I highly recommend promoting digital products over physical products. You're going to make a whole lot more money with affiliate marketing, and it's going to take less clicks and sales. So now you're probably wondering, but David, how in the world do I make money with affiliate marketing? So let's go ahead and take one of my favorite affiliate marketing strategies and put it to the test. This one is using free traffic on TikTok. So basically, you send customers from TikTok to an affiliate link, and then that affiliate link leads to a checkout page. Every single time somebody checks out, then you get a portion of that affiliate sale called your affiliate commission. And this is one of my favorite ways to make money with affiliate marketing, especially if you are a beginner, because it doesn't take a lot of skills in order to create these short TikTok videos. And you can do this method in two different ways. Number one, you could show your face and create a personal brand in order to connect with your audience. Or number two, you could actually promote other people's products by just copying and pasting videos back onto TikTok. It's so simple. I'm going to show you how to do both of those different ways. Method number one is to create a personal brand on TikTok, and we're going to be promoting that product that I showed you earlier called Legendary Marketer. Now you'll see here that there's so many perks to becoming an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. You get your e-wallet program, you get done for you sales funnels, you also get a dedicated phone sales team, you can manage and track your customers, and you can even earn additional streams of income if you choose to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. In order to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer, you have to go through the 15-day online business builder program. I'll go ahead and leave a link for that down below this video. Basically, what you do is you go through the 15 days and they teach you how to do affiliate marketing step by step and how to build a personal brand and get that traffic from places like TikTok, YouTube, and Google so that you can build a business that will last you for years to come. So all you have to do is just take that 15-day business builder challenge, and then you can find your link inside of Legendary Marketer. Once you're inside the affiliate program for Legendary Marketer, all you have to do is just go over to the affiliate links section, click on the business builder light theme, and then you'll find your affiliate links right here on this tab. All you have to do is just copy this affiliate link, and then you can start promoting it on places like TikTok. Someone who's doing this method extremely well is called 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. As you can see, they've made over $40,000 in 3 months just by promoting Legendary Marketer using the same TikTok method. As you can see, their videos are really simple. They just put a bunch of different text on the screen teaching people how to do different side hustles. So all you have to do is just make these simple videos, post them on TikTok, and you should be getting both followers and clicks on your affiliate link inside of the bio. And that's how you build a long-term and long-lasting affiliate marketing business. And they're not the only ones having success with this method. As you can see, I'm currently inside of the Legendary Marketer Facebook group, and here is a post all about the 2x Platinum affiliate, 𝗬𝗢𝗢𝗦𝗧. As you can see, she has made 2x Platinum, which means she has made over $200,000 with the Legendary Marketer affiliate program. And she's actually done this within the span of probably a year. So there's so much potential when it comes to promoting digital products like Legendary Marketer on TikTok. When it comes to coming up with content ideas, I highly recommend just checking out the other popular videos of people inside of the Facebook group, and then make sure to change up those videos a little bit, make them your own, and you should start seeing the same kind of success and traffic that they are getting on their videos. Now, if you're not comfortable with putting your face on camera or building a personal brand, then I highly recommend the second method, which is doing affiliate marketing on TikTok without showing your face on camera. And all we're gonna have to do is just copy and paste videos onto TikTok from other platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Now, what you have to do is first off, join Hustlers University. And I will go ahead and leave a link to this page down below this video. And basically what you have to do is just join Hustlers University, and that will give you access to the Discord where you can find your affiliate link. And as you can see here, a lot of people are finding success with this very method that I'm about to show you. If you scroll down on this page, you'll actually see that I believe so much in this Discord of Hustlers University that I'm actually giving away 3 different courses to whoever joins Hustlers University from the link below this video. And then all you're gonna have to do is just follow these important instructions here, and then I will go ahead and send you over access to these 3 courses of mine that you get just for joining Hustlers University, because I believe in the Discord so much. Once you're inside of the Discord for Hustlers University, you can go ahead and just grab your unique affiliate link just by messaging the Hustlers University account manager. All you have to do is just send them !affiliate, and then you can get your affiliate link, no problem. What makes this method so unique is all you have to do is just repost videos of a guy named Andrew Tate, because he is actually the creator of Hustlers University. So once you find those videos and re-upload them to TikTok, then you can actually just put your affiliate link for Hustlers University inside of the TikTok bio. And you see a lot of different accounts on TikTok actually are using this method. If I click here, this is most likely an affiliate link to Hustlers University. And as we can see here, this is most definitely an affiliate link for Hustlers University. So you're probably thinking, David, where do I find these clips to re-upload them to TikTok? Well, you could actually just get them from TikTok itself by clicking on one of the videos and then copying the link right here. Then head over to a website called Snaptic and just paste in the TikTok link, and then you can actually go ahead and just download that TikTok to your computer so that you can re-upload it using your phone onto the TikTok app. And they actually allow you to download full HD videos without the TikTok watermark, so it becomes really easy to upload those videos back onto TikTok. Another place to find short videos to re-upload onto TikTok is going to be on Instagram. And all you have to do is just type in Andrew Tate onto Instagram, and you can find so many different videos called Reels on Instagram, and you can see that they get so many views, tons of thousands of views, and this is a brand new affiliate account right here. So all I'd have to do is just download these videos and then re-upload them back over onto TikTok, and you could start seeing thousands of views just like all these other accounts are. So now you can see why those two methods that I just showed you are some of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing online. It doesn't take any upfront cost because we're using completely free traffic on TikTok, and you can get thousands of views because of how easy it is to go viral on TikTok just by copying and re-uploading videos back onto the TikTok platform. So if you want to start making money with affiliate marketing and you're a complete beginner, I highly recommend checking out those two affiliate marketing programs. I'll put the links for them down below this video inside the description. Go ahead and join those affiliate marketing programs now so you can start your affiliate marketing journey step by step. Both Legendary Marketer and Hustlers University are two of my favorite affiliate marketing programs and two of the best programs to promote right now as an affiliate marketer. So click on those links and get started with affiliate marketing today. And if you want more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create videos all about affiliate marketing and how to make money online, including different kinds of side hustles. So if you're into that kind of stuff, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys inside of my next video.